Race is back.
Yes.
Ohio vlog.
Yes. Hair look good?
Hair looks good enough.
All right.
10K mega event, 12K mega event, something like that. We're in Columbus, Ohio, Bohn and doubles. 4 games, action tonight.
I'm back.
That's about all I got. Let's get into it. Last game. So I didn't strike once on the right lane.
Yeah.
Okay. Change balls with about 10 left.
Perfect.
Double in 10.
Oh yeah.
Gutter ball.
I went double one a couple weeks ago, so I don't feel
That
bad.
is very true.
I went double one.
I witnessed it.
Gutter.
Go now because I'm on camera. Yo, I'm like the third Bohn brother. Dougie Bohn. I know. So is Brandon.
Yep. Well, here we are. Post bowling. I got her twice. And we made money. I didn't strike on the right lane. Game 2, bowled 190. Then gutter on the fill for 180. Doubled in the 10th. Nice ball. Way to work. Started game 4. 9 spare, gutter spare, 240. Nice work. Cashed. Finished 7th in the doubles. Bryce, first time cashing the doubles. My
Thank
first time
God.
cashing in the doubles, even though I only bowled it once before. Rode the horsey tonight.
You did.
I lost the first action match we bowled. That kind of sucked.
Yeah, we bowled it. We didn't bowl good.
No.
And then we
But
waited.
the team we bowled, Gene and Jalen bowled.
They bowled phenomenal.
Yeah. So we lost.
I predicted the future.
What'd you predict?
They shot 14 the first game, and then I looked at, I don't know what I was talking to, and I'm like, they're either gonna shoot 370 or they're gonna shoot 500, and they shot 500.
They didn't. We got swept that match.
And then we waited 4 freaking hours.
We waited a long time for the next one. But we won that match. That was cool.
I bowled really angry the second match and shot 540.
Ride the horsey. All right, that's about all I got. We made money. Team event tomorrow.
Up 150 bucks on the weekend.
And that's about all I got. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.